So how you will get thousands of connection on your LinkedIn account. So LinkedIn is very professional, and you may find client from LinkedIn, and LinkedIn have very big businessmen, and if you active on LinkedIn, then you will definitely find your client from your skill. So this is really important social media. So if I go to my LinkedIn account, you will see that this is my LinkedIn profile, and you need to just go on your profile section, and you need to just create a professional profile photo and banner, and this is must, because if you sending some connection request to your targeted audience and he's just visiting your profile and he's just looking that you are not professional, so he will not accept your connection request and you will not get any much good audience. So this is very important. And secondly is your tagline. So this is your bio, you can tell, and this is also very important, because when your audience see that you have very bad tagline and this is not any SEO friendly or important like this, so he will not accept your request. So this is very important. So number one is profile, number two is banner, and number three is this section, and you need to mention everything that what you do and what you want to do. So this is very important. And I have only 4,000 connection, and I'm just sending connection every week, and I'm getting maybe 150 connection back every week. So this is very important. And also you need to active on LinkedIn account, you need to post and engagement on your target audience, and you are following them. So everything on your how much you are just connecting to your audience. And number four is about section. So you need to mention everything that what you are doing and what you want to do and what you did on your past time. So this is also very important, and you need to just feature something, you need to post something, and you need to add some experience here. So everything are going professional. Now how you will send connection and how you will get good amount of audience retention and you will generate some connection. So I'm just doing, so this is my strategy I'm following. Just I'm going, if you are just one thing also I'm talking with you, if you have, if you are going search section and let's say you are a graphics designer or you are SEO expert or you are video editor. So I'm just typing here, if let's say I'm video editor and I'm just typing here YouTube and searching, and now I will find something related to YouTube, right? And if I just tap on people, I will see the person who work on YouTube or connected with YouTube. If I just connect with them, this is not my targeted audience, right? I can filter more here. So this is not my target audience, and if I find my target audience from here, but they will not just accept my connection because I don't know they're active or not. So it is very difficult. So this is not my strategy, and I'm just applying my strategy. So if you just follow my strategy, then you will get like hundreds of connection in every week. So this is my strategy. Let's say you have a video editing skill, so you just search on here and just relate your group like video editing YouTube specialist, like this types of, you just scroll down and engagement with this post and everything. And now you will just see here people you may know based on your recent activity. If you do that, and if you coming after 1 hour here my network, you will see this profile here. See, this is all my targeted audience, and if I send them connection request, they will definitely accept me, right? So this is my strategy. I just engaged some post with my skill and I find them here. So if I just send them connection there, if I just if I just send them connection from here, they will definitely accept my request. I'm just doing. So you can just send at least 50 connection requests at this time, and after 1 hour or 2 hour you can just do it again. So this is my strategy. I just tapping connection request and I'm getting good results from it. And you see, all are my targeted, all are the European, USA, like this. So you just watch the profile and you just see the name here. So all are European or USA target audience. So I'm just doing like this and I'm getting crazy results from this. So if you do like this, you will take good amount of connection. I hope this video will help you good if you have LinkedIn account, and just work at least 1 month and you will see the great result from others strategy. So thank you once again, and please subscribe and comment me below that what you need, and yeah, like, and see you soon. Thank you very much.